Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. Today for our reading skill, we're going to be talking about types of conflict. So this anchor chart actually is in your daily agenda. And I ask that you either print it or copy it down in your reader's notebook. So we're going to talk about conflict. Usually when we talk about conflict, we think of a fight or not getting along with someone. Today we're going to be talking about 4 different types of conflict. So we have person versus person, okay, which means that it's an external, you're fighting with an outside force. So person versus person conflict is when the character has a problem with another character. For example, a 7th grader on my bus is picking on me. So you can see that 2 different people have conflicts. They're not getting along with each other. The second type of conflict is person versus nature. That is also external. So that is when the character faces a force of nature that is beyond his or her control. For example, Mom's car slid off the road during a blizzard. We must stay warm until we can be rescued. So the blizzard is causing the conflict. It's not a person causing the conflict, it's nature, right? The blizzard, the storm. So a lot of times when there's some sort of natural disaster or anything weather related, often is person versus nature. Now if we go down here, it's person versus self. This is an internal conflict, which means it's coming from the inside of the character. So the character faces struggle within himself or herself. The character must face a fear or make a difficult choice. So for example, I want to run for class president, but I'm too scared to make a speech in front of the entire 5th grade class. So the conflict is coming from inside of the character. So if I really want to go for a run today, but I'm really nervous, I won't be able to keep up with my time from last year. So I'm nervous that I'm going to be a lot slower from last year. So I'm fighting with myself. The last type of conflict is person versus society, and this is also an internal conflict. So this is when the character faces an unfairness in society. The character struggles with the laws, beliefs, or values of a group. So for example, I want to be on the wrestling team, but everyone keeps telling me that wrestling isn't for girls. I disagree. So this type of conflict usually is because of what society believes. So you want to do something or the character really wants to do something. But because of what society believes and what society values, that person feels like they can't do it. So we're going to do an activity, a really fun activity, and it's under classwork on Google Classroom. So when you get to Google Classroom, you're going to go to classwork and it's going to be underneath today's work, 421. And you're going to do what you normally do. So you're going to press the activity. So you're going to press on the activity like we normally do, and it's going to make a copy for you. So identifying character conflict. So this anchor chart's really important. It says, in most stories, songs, and movies, characters experience some level of conflict. Watch each of the videos and identify the conflict each character experiences. So let's first look at our anchor chart where it says character conflict. So we talked about internal and external conflict. So an internal conflict takes place inside a character's mind or heart. An external conflict takes place between a character and an outside force. So that probably helps a little bit with our explanations. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch a video. Okay, you're just going to press play. And then when you are circling the type of character conflict, you're actually just going to circle over and do it for the correct answer. Okay? So I really want you to enjoy watching these 4 videos. They're all from Disney movies. And I hope you enjoyed the other videos that you watched to talk about this lesson. All right, great job, everyone.